मैं ये सेशन का रिकॉर्ड कर लेती हूँ. हाँ, मैं रिकॉर्ड कर लेती हूँ. So I will send recording also. Let him take some
Okay,
rest.
okay, okay.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Okay. So how much you have done, Aditya? Can you show me quickly?
Yes. So, ma'am, over here, if I press space, it does. Although now I think I should give it a bit more.
Jump, yeah.
Yes, this is better. So,
Okay.
ma'am, and I also did something of my own. Over here, in the bottom, I added this text, which is just if restart click, then restart game.
Okay. So if game state is equals to dead, and you clicked on so have you already put restart sprite, Aditya?
Yes.
Me?
Yes. And also do not worry about it. So
So what you have done for this restart thingy, can you show me?
the restart. Wait, one
When
second.
this restart button appears. And when you are making it true.
What?
Make it visible is equals to false at the very beginning only. When you are creating now, when you are creating this restart button, at that time only make it false.
Yes, ma'am, I have done that. Over here, visible equals false.
Okay. Then why this restart button was when it becomes visible? Show me that code. Line number 56.
53.
56, I said. I think it's in line number 56.
Yes, ma'am. 56, it is visible equals true.
56. Okay, run this project. Why this is coming then? It should not come, right?
Why the restart button is not turning invisible when restart is pressed? So I think I should use two.
No, the question is why it is not invisible at the very beginning. Give me a minute. I'm opening your project in teachers area. Yeah.
All right, that is it. Now I have run.
Okay, what you fixed? Where did you fix to hit Aditya?
Wait, what? Ma'am, do I just need to copy this part or
No,
what
what do
I
you
need
want?
to do?
What do you want to do? What do you want to do? Tell me that first.
I want to do when the T-Rex says this is done.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, let me just delete this. So you see, when I do this, it stays like this. So I want it to turn into the square again. Should I just copy all this?
No. I think don't make it a square. No, that's okay. That's okay. You again press on space and it will start running. Because your T-Rex variable now has already taken the animation. No, pause will have brackets. Pause will have brackets. Pause is a function. No. After pause.
It works perfectly fine.
No. Pause is not right. Yeah, now this is correct. Yeah.
What?
No, where you have put T-Rex dot play? Show me. Go move up. You are saying T-Rex dot play when key went down space. Okay, fine. Now do one thing, Aditya. Your logic is right. Your logic and everything is right, but let's restructure it a little bit. How I am asking you to restructure it. See, you have one code which says if key went down space, okay? And inside this if only, you are checking if T-Rex.y is less than 170. So let's not do it this way. First thing we want to do is make it a start. When this space key is pressed, we want it to get started. And another thing, when space key is pressed, we want it to jump also, right?
Yes.
We want it to jump as well, right? So let's do it in this way. Just give me a minute. We will have to structure it. Your code logic is perfectly fine, but I'm just asking you to restructure it a little bit. I will share my screen. It will, give you some hints. You can unshare Aditya for a minute. Okay. Do you see my screen, Aditya?
Yes.
See, why this apps keeps on appearing? I don't want it. Close. Yeah. Okay. So, see, when do we want space to start the game? And when do we want space to make it jump? Okay. So we will have to categorize it in two ways. Fine. So if key down is a space and game state is a start, okay, then what we are doing, first thing, we are making the game state to play. Okay. We are just changing the game state here. And if game state is play, just 1 minute. And I have done all this code. Do you see? If game state is play, then we are saying gravity. What does this gravity do? Let me see. Yeah, gravity will just make it move. Gravity will just make it move. Okay, let's forget about gravity at that moment. My gravity is happening, ground is moving, and it starts jumping. Okay. And this is the code to jump. Okay, jump में एक तो ये check करना पड़ेगा. It is, not only key down space. Okay, you will also have to check game status play.
Yes, ma'am, I
You will also
did
have, you have done that, right? Let me see your code. I had opened your game. Yes, it is here. So what are you doing here? How does it work? Give me a minute. It's not moving at all now, right? Right? This is the problem, huh?
I have set my game state to dead right now. Just set it to store.
Yes, just give me a minute. You have a T-Rex, you have a ground, fine, you have a restart button. It is visible as false, background is white, draw a sprite. If key went down is a space. Okay, so let me remix quickly.
I just thought of creating a function for jump and you have created function for jump.
Yes, that will be a good idea. It will make it cleaner. We will be able to understand the code and approach better. So make a function for jumping. Meanwhile, I am also trying to see where is what we can improve in this code. Because logic is all good. So one thing, yeah. Okay, why you are mentioning if key went down is a space game? Why game state is DD here, Aditya? I think this is wrong.
Because I said if press space to start. So when space is started, and game state equals started.
Yes, but when you say if game went down space, why game state is DD? DD is, I think, DD is your start, kya?
Oh, it's the
DD
last
means
one.
it is the last one, right? So yeah, remove this. We don't need it. We don't need it.
That was for testing. It must be start.
What is the initial? Okay, so I am making some changes here. If a space and game state equals to stoked. Okay, then what do you want? Do you want to set the animation? You want to set its velocity? Restart is not visible. And why do we have velocity y -8, velocity y 0 here again? Okay, T-Rex dot
Yes,
play.
that was something wrong. I thought that yeah, now I see that it's wrong.
No. We don't need to have the velocity thingy here. Restart visible is okay. This is fine. And I'm also removing this thingy from here. I'm using your code only, but I'm just, structuring it a little bit.
I am doing what you are doing.
Yes. Let's do it one by one. I'm not jumping it first. If key went down is a space and game state is equals to stopped. What do we want? We want restart and T-Rex to play if game state is equals to stopped.
set animation T-Rex jump.
Mhm. This T-Rex.play is not working only.
Because I have set animation T-Rex jump, and that is only one animation, one frame. Or line like 30 something. Line 31.
Hmm.
I have set it to T-Rex jump. That should be jump.
Oh, you have some other this T-Rex jump. No, no, no. We don't want to change the animation. It has to be T-Rex only. Yeah, it has to be T-Rex only. Now your T-Rex is jumping. Okay, so let me check your T-Rex jump code. When your T-Rex is jumping, you will have to check if down space, oopsie. And what should be the game state here, Aditya?
And game state start.
STORTU.
Yes.
Okay, so this entire logic I am going to put inside this.
Okay, fine.
So only one condition I have added to your jump is if key went down space and your game state is a start. Okay, and when your game state is stopped, then it will set the animation and make it false. So let me test it. So one thing we will have to change here, Aditya, when we say, space is pressed, we will also have to change the game state. Now my game state has changed to start. Is the spelling right? STORT, this is what you have given. Yeah, so at least this is fixed. That message is gone when you don't want it to be appear.
1 second.
Mhm. Okay, Aditya, let me know when you are back. We will have to do some changes in jump.
Okay. I am now back.
You are back. Okay.
Yes.
You were following me, Aditya. So see what I have done. I
Cannot
have,
now.
sorry?
I cannot see clearly right now because my screen has again been zoomed out.
Okay, so just try to do an alt tab it, see if it works.
No, it is zoomed out. It is not zooming in. I somehow just. Oh,
Okay,
wait.
I will stop share and share again and let me know. Can you see?
I am trying to find some way to. Uh,
Got the screen, Aditya? Not yet.
Oh, I am.
Do one thing, log out of Zoom and join again.
What?
Log out of Zoom and join again.
Man, it's not in Zoom, it is in code.org.
So what you are not able to see, I am asking you, are you able to see my screen?
I am able to see your screen. I am not able to see my code.org because, ma'am, do you remember that one time when my code just zoomed out and it was like, because it became smaller and I couldn't turn it off?
Okay,
turn it
share your screen, show me what's the problem. Share your screen once. Share your screen, Satya. Okay, so this, just on your mouse pad, put your fingers like this. This, spread them.
I don't have a mouse pad. I have a mouse.
You have keypad? Do you have a laptop or a desktop?
Desktop.
You have a desktop. So, okay, just a minute on desktop. Just a minute. How do we do this? How do we do this on the desktop? There should be a way. Okay, let me see your screen. So basically, it's been zoomed out a lot. I will just do, like spread it like this on my laptop keyboard and it works. So can you continue with this kind of font, Aditya, or it's difficult?
It will be difficult, but I can do it.
Okay. Okay, I'm sharing my screen again. Okay, so Aditya, now we will have to think about this jump function, what we are doing. I am reading out the code that you have written, as you can see on my screen. So if key went down space, we added game state is equals to start. But why we are checking if T-Rex y is less than or equal to 170, then only we give it a y velocity 8. So what is the current? Yep.
Ma'am, we after the key down space and game state equals start, then we need to also give the T-Rex a velocity of going up, like velocity y equal 8. I have set it to -8.
What is the current position of your T-Rex? Your current position of your T-Rex, I think, is this 250. Somewhere you have set it to 250. Y position is 250, right? Y position is 250. And this your code says if your Y position is less than or equal to 170, then you are giving it a Y velocity of 8. Okay, fine. Y velocity of 8 means you want it to come down maybe. Fine. Okay, if it is greater than or equal to 250, get and okay, fine. So this also you had added here. T-Rex dot set animation. T-Rex. Okay. Aditya, let's do one thing. I am going to show you a new thing today. Okay. I am going to show you a new thing today. We will see how do we debug. How do we debug? So there is some problem in the code, right? There is some problem in the code. And this T-Rex is not jumping now. T-Rex is not jumping now, right? So I will show you how do we debug the code. Okay. See what I am doing. I have put my breakpoint here. I just clicked here and this is called a breakpoint. I put my breakpoint here and I run my code. So my code is currently here. When you see this, this is all yellow. It means my code is currently here and I can debug it. How do I debug it? See on my screen, Aditya, carefully. Do you see this thing? Step over, these buttons, step out, step in, and continue. Do you see these 4 buttons?
Yes.
Okay, so if I say step in, see what will happen. Now this is going where it is going. actually moved out of jump. So I am saying continue. So basically, if key went down space, because my key went is not a space, so I clicked on oopsie. So this time I am going to click on a space and see what happens. And game starts. So let me also put a variable here. I am, what I can see, I can put the variable names here and watch them. I can see, oh, that is the problem. See what had happened, game start, it's saying it is not available. Do you see this? Game start state is not available. So game start, where we have defined this variable, it is here. So it should be available, game state. Game state, sorry. My bad, I typed it wrong. This is game state. STATE. Oopsie. Why the spellings are coming wrong? Game STATE. Game state is stopped. Game state is stopped. Why game state is stopped?
Because
Yeah.
I have said it to stop.
Yes. So now game state is start. Do you see? Now the game state has become a start. Okay. Let me run the, I am again pressing a space key. I am again pressing a space key and my Y position is 250. This is what we will have to see. Okay. So Aditya, do you see this code? The problem lies in this code. The problem lies in this code. So I am doing some changes. Aditya, take a look. I am doing some changes. So instead of first checking, see what does this if else will do. If Trex.y is less than or equal to 170. So tell me, is it less than or equal to 100 and 170 at this moment? No. So it will go to this else block where it says if y is greater than or equal to 250. So I'm going to put a breakpoint here this time. I'm going to put a breakpoint here this time and I press on a space key. Okay, so this is coming set animation T-Rex. I don't think we need to do it again. Trex.y velocity is equals to 0. No, we will have to say Trex.y velocity -8. We want it to jump up, right? And Trex.y is equals to 250. No. No. I am removing this breakpoint. See, it goes up. Okay, do you see it goes up?
Yes.
It goes up. Now, what do we want? We want it to jump to a position. We want that, it should jump, maybe yahan se jump karta hai, to yahan tak, to this point, it should jump. So its position, this is 250. And I want it to jump probably till 100. It jump probably till 100 and then come back. Something like this we want to do. So its velocity is -8. And here we are going to say if it is 100, it is less than or equal to 100. My velocity becomes 8. Okay. Let's restructure this code. I want to write it like this, Aditya. So I am, thinking logically कि मैंने पहले Trex.y यदि मेरा greater than or equal to 250 है, okay, and my game state is equals to start. Yeah, it is doing something else. Bungee jumping. It is doing bungee jumping now. Okay, so let's do
Yes,
it one
yes.
by one. If it is greater than or equal to 250 and it is a start, I want T-rex dot velocity x to be -8. Fine, this is okay. I want the T-rex velocity to be -8. Then it is going to check if we don't want a else if here, we want a if only. If T-rex dot y becomes less than 100, okay, we want it to come back. So I may say T-rex velocity x is equals to 8. Okay, this one you understood, these two conditions, Aditya?
Uh, yes.
Okay, I'm just commenting this code for now. Okay, so let's see what does it do.
It won't work.
Yeah, it will not work completely,
I
but
have
why?
a negative. We need double there.
What is the, do you see the problem here in this code, Aditya?
Please show the red square. I need to see that. Oh, maybe then is no. I don't know.
Yeah.
Yes, that was.
Got it. So we are saying if T-rex dot y is greater than 250 and or equal to game start is equals to start velocity -8. Okay, जैसे ही वो ऊपर जाता है 100 पे जाता है, we say velocity 8. But we will have to land it. अभी ये कोड ना land नहीं कराएगा. See, ये ऊपर ही ऊपर जाता जा रहा है. It is not coming down. So this code I will have to move, I think, outside of jump function. We are calling this jump function. Here I will have to move it. So let me see. No, not here. Here. It goes in diagonal direction. It is going in diagonal direction. Somewhere are you setting x velocity?
No.
See, as soon as it pick, oh, huh. I am only setting x velocity. This has to be y. Yeah. Do you see it's jumping now? But it's not coming to the ground. It is not coming to the ground. So I will have to again add another if condition where it checks if T-rex dot y is greater than 250. Okay. Okay. If it becomes greater than 250, then what do I want? Say T-rex dot velocity y becomes 0 and T-rex dot y position becomes 250 again. So let me see. I hope this should work this time. Yeah. Do you see it, Aditya? Aditya, do you see this, my screen? See, let's analyze this jump function closely. Now, very clean and neat, it is making a jump. So, I have put up this first condition. If key down is space and game state is start, and my T-Rex position or the T-Rex already down hai. Okay, so we actually do not need this condition again. We don't need this condition again. I am testing it again because I removed one condition. Yeah. See, मैंने क्योंकि यहाँ पर already game state start check कर लिया है ना, so I need not to check it again. First thing I am just checking if my key pressed is down and what is the game state. So if it is, on the ground, if it is, it means if it is on the ground. If it is on the ground, then I want to give it a velocity so that it goes up. Okay, it is on the ground. Now I am going to check continuously. This is not on a space key. See if it has reached the height. It reached the height where you want it to be. So it has reached the height. So you want it to come down. You want it to come down. Yes. And when it has come to the ground, when it has already come to the ground, what do we want? You want to stop it. You want to stop it. You got it, Aditya?
Yes.
Yeah. So just create this function and then we will move ahead. I'm stopping my screen share. I believe you can do it yourself. Or maybe you're already doing it yourself.
It is not jumping. Oh.
Okay, share your screen, Aditya. Yeah, I can
Where
see your
should
screen
I-
already. Actually, it is very small.
No.
Where you are not calling jump function only. I can't see jump function called.
I was what? Where should my jump be, ma'am? Where should my function jump be?
लाना है मुझे कुछ तो बताना please.
हाँ. क्लास चालू है क्लास.
हाँ वही इसीलिए मैंने बोला था बात.
Hello. Yes. Yes, Aditya. What happened now? You are not calling this jump function anywhere. You will have to call it. See, you have written this jump function. So anywhere you can call it actually, because recursively it will keep on checking now, so it will not make any difference. So wherever it is fitting as per your logic, you put it. No, you will have to just say jump. No function jump. Just call jump. Jump with brackets. Yes, that's all. Semicolon. Run it. It goes in the air.
It keeps going. Why does it keep going?
Down. What key down? This function, line number 65. Which key down? Let's check it. Can you match these brackets? Okay, fine. Do one thing. You have this trex.y now.
Yep.
Trex.y in just see it in watchers section. What is the value of trex.y?
It keeps going. It just keeps going. And it just keeps going and going.
Yes, I'm checking. Velocity y, line number 76, y has to be capital.
Okay.
No need to reset.
That
Just
was what
no need to reset. Run it again.
and
Yeah,
it does not allow.
yes. So 170 seems a little low to me. Maybe you want to make it 200 or 120. See, check it. This seems to be a very small jump to me. Fine. Good. Done finally. Next, Aditya, do you remember the groups we had created in Pacman also? Do you remember the groups and why do we use groups actually?
Yes.
Okay. So do one thing.
Yes, you created a cactus group.
Yes. So now we will have to create the cactus group and also import those. You have these, no? Bush 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All these images. You import those images and we will use cactus group. Okay, you have already imported all these 6. Fine. Create a cactus group.
Yes, ma'am.
Just 1 minute, Aditya. I have another call at 12. So let me tell that I will be 10 minutes late. So, we will be able to finish this.
Is this correct?
Just 1 minute. I am sending message for the next class that, a little late. I believe if we extend it by 12:10, this project will be finished. Yes. Okay. Just I'm taking a look at your screen now. Where should I look? Yes, this is correct, Aditya. So create a cactus group. Okay. And then what we will do, we have the cactus group. Just 1 minute. Create a site. Yes. So Aditya, do you remember that word.frame count? Do you remember that word.frame count method? It actually says how many frames have been executed in this program. So I'm again sharing my screen to you. Sorry, Aditya.
Ma'am, I understand what you mean and how we are going to do. If frame count is turned into multiple of this number, cactus, random
Try yourself.
cactus.
Yes, you are thinking right. Try yourself. Try yourself, Aditya. I'm not going to share any screen then. Your logic is correct. Try to implement it. Share your screen. Keep sharing your screen. Do one thing, write a method, draw cactus. Write a function, draw cactus, and put your logic inside draw cactus. So what will happen, you will have the logical segregation of the different functionalities.
Ma'am, do we need to add wait.
Yes, Aditya, what was your question? So what you will have to do, Aditya, as you were rightly mentioning, you will have to say which frame number if it is, and if it is a frame number of a multiple fixed number like 60, if it is a multiple of 60, then you want to create a sprite, a random sprite. Out of these 6 cactus, any one cactus should be created.
What should the multiple be? Multiple of
Yes, let me show you. Just take let's understand this, Aditya. Yeah. See, something like this. Yeah. See, something like this. If word.frame count percentage 60 is equals to 0, means after every 60 frame, what do we want? We want to create a cactus sprite, right? We want to create a cactus sprite, like after every, after, sometime this cactus sprite keeps on coming. So we will create this cactus sprite, but when we are giving it animation, we will give it a different animation every time. Every time we will not give the same animation, because otherwise, it will be the same type of cactus that will keep on appearing. But we want our cactus sometime to be the longer one, sometime which has got the higher width and all. So we will set the animation as, this is my animation name and a random number between 1 to 6. So here we have these obstacles. This one, as you can see, right? OBS1, which is a smaller one, and it contains only 1 cactus. OBS2, only 2 cactus. 3 cactus. OBS4 is a big cactus. OBS5, again, 2 cactus. OBS6 is a different cactus with a, maybe your this has to take a longer jump, like this. So similarly, you should have 5 or 6 animations with same name but different suffix. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will come via this random number generator. So when we are setting the animation, we will say OBS plus a random number. And if you want any scaling and velocity, because it is moving like this, so your velocity has to be in minus number, velocity x. Or this is important, we are setting the lifetime of cactus. Okay, maybe after 60 frames this particular sprite will be dead, because we do not want so many sprites to be created in our project that your entire computer system becomes hanged. So after some time, we will kill this particular sprite.
Yes.
Understood? Okay, so let's give it a try, Aditya.
How?
See, you check what is the frame number. Okay, then create a random number, create a sprite, set the animation according to the random number. Random number is going to be the suffix. Give it a velocity x, give it a lifetime, and add it to the cactus group.
Yes, ma'am. I do not understand it very good.
You start writing code, you will understand.
Wait. Yes, so
Share a screen, Aditya.
ma'am, should we not have a random variable, this random variable set in not over here, because whenever the cactus is, whenever this function is run, then it will keep creating new variables. Should it not be inside this function?
Yes, you are right, Aditya. But here in this case, every time we want a new number only, right? If I
Uh,
keep it outside, it will generate one random number and will always use the same random number, right?
no, but we could do like random equals create
Yes,
random
we can do
number.
that. We can do that. You declare it outside and use it inside. That you can do, Aditya.
Yes. What? What is this? What is this? All right. Ma'am?
Yes, Aditya.
The variable
Just
of cat.
you are generating a random number between 1 to 66, not 66.
My
And
keyboard is
frame count, yeah, this is fine. Yeah, this is fine.
Ma'am, for the cactus variable, do we need to keep creating new variable or can we just keep? No, I think we should keep creating new variables. So keeping
Yes, and
the one cactus.
then destroy them. Yes. Because we want multiple cactus, right? Not only one cactus.
What would cactus equal?
Create a sprite. We want to create a new cactus sprite. You may want to create at a particular location.
Last thought.
See, you know, Aditya Bhaiya, he has created such a nice game. Say hello.
Hello.
Chalo, go. Okay, Aditya, I will be back in a minute. Yeah.
Yes.
Class over? Okay. How long?
Aditya, I'm back.
Hello.
Yes. Okay, so how much you have done?
I completed the cactus coming, but I could not figure out how to make the cactus become different cost animation every time.
Okay. Can I take control of your screen for a minute?
Yes.
Okay.
I do.
Everything is perfect. Everything is perfect, Aditya. Only thing is you are not using this, your, what is this? 98 line number? CTU. What is written?
CPU, CPU, CPU. It is written CPU.
Do one thing. Do one thing. You have these names now. Remove .pngs. Remove .pngs from there. I am giving up remote control. You have this now, Bush 1.png 1. I just want their names to be Bush 1, Bush 2, Bush 3, Bush 4, Bush 5, and Bush 6.
Done.
Done. Go back to code. Fine. I am just making change in your line number 100 now. Instead of bush1.png, I am going to say the name of the animation should be bush plus this number which you are generating, CTU. Okay, run it.
Oh. Oh. So that's how it works.
It says unable to find an animation named bush1. Go back, check your animation names. See, I think it is bush1 dot. I think the name of animation is bush1 dot.
Yes, I fixed that.
So this last number is going to be randomly generated between 1 to 6, and accordingly my animation will be given to cactus, and we will have different set of cactus coming up, right? Do you see now you have this bush 4 coming up? Got it, Aditya?
Yes.
So your homework is, Aditya, the way we have created this moving bushes, you are supposed to create the moving clouds as well. Okay, you can make the moving clouds, Aditya.
Yes, I will also create the flying pterodactyls.
Yes. Okay. Chalo, and please help Aditya to complete this, yeah?
Siddharth.
Yeah. Yatharth. Chalo. Bye-bye.
Bye.